Hello everyone. I am Kanwal Jehan. Welcome in. I'm so excited that you are here. We are going to be doing a 5-minute breath work today. It's quite simple technique. You can do this anywhere at any time, with your eyes open, with your eyes closed. You can do this before you actually get into a meditation. You can do this before you actually get into your yoga session, your workout, whether you're going for a walk. Anytime you're feeling this heaviness come over you with your emotions, if you get triggered, whether you want to get out of bed and you can't, this is a great breath work to do so. So what I'm going to show you is you can do this with your eyes open, and then when you feel really good, you can close your eyes and then do this. So what we want to be doing is we want to be breathing in through the mouth as if we have a straw in our mouth. So we're going to breathe in as if there's a straw and breathe out as if there's a straw. So the mouth will always remain in a position as if you have a straw in your mouth. And you're going to inhale in through, and you're going to exhale through the straw again. So the sounds that you make when you're inhaling are going to be different than the sound that you're making when you're exhaling, even though we are doing the straw method. What this is going to do in 5 minutes is really going to relax you. It's going to regulate your nervous system. It's going to offer some focus, some concentration, remove that like sluggishness, remove that monkey mind. And if you need to do it a little bit more, you can do it for 10 minutes and you can do it for 15 minutes again. So what you can do is, even though this meditation / breathwork session is for 5 minutes, you can go back to the start of the breathwork, which I will have here for you, and then you can do it again a couple of times. If you love this meditation and this breathwork session, all you have to do is let me know and I'll create a longer one for you, which can be 15 minutes. And so 5 to 15 minutes is great, and then you can get on with your day. So with that said, we're going to do this together for 5 minutes straight. I'm just going to take a look at what time I have, and we are going to get started. This way I know when to stop. So let's take a long deep breath in through the mouth as if you are taking a straw in, and exhale. And exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Continue breathing in through the mouth as if you have a straw in your mouth, and exhaling the same way. Just keep on doing it, and something to keep in mind is that you can move your body with it. As you inhale, your belly is going in, your back is rounding up, and then as you exhale, your chest comes forwards, your belly comes forward. So it's a great way to actually get some movement into this breath work. Your hands can be on your thighs. Your hands can also be right in front of you as you really open up the shoulders and then close the shoulders. So breathing in, you open up the shoulders, and breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. slowly start to bring your awareness to your whole body as you start to breathe in and out through the nostrils, just stopping the mouth breathing. And if you are driving or walking or outside, just take a moment of pause wherever you are for a minute. And for those of you who are at home doing this, you're really going to feel this in your throat, in the back of your neck, coming down your shoulders. So you can begin to sway from side to side. And roll your shoulders to the back, roll your shoulders to the front. Take a few wrist rolls. Take a stretch wherever you might be. It's really good to do that. And then really become aware with your eyes open or your eyes closed of how your heart feels, how your belly feels. And if you need 5 more minutes of this, just start it again. Go to the front, to the start of the video where we start the breath work, and then do it again for a few more rounds. What this will require, you can do a round of 5. Take a moment to check in and then do another round. You can put on some music in the background for you, or you can come back and do it again with me. So really, this really calms you very quickly, regulates your nervous system, releases any tension. Whatever is happening will slow it down. And what we really want to do with meditation, with breath work, we're wanting to regulate the nervous system, to observe what's going on and slow it down to the point where you are less reactive to whatever is happening or coming at you. And you have an opportunity to respond. So either you're going to respond, you're going to react with lashing out, or you're going to respond by taking a pause and being kind to yourself and responding in a way that is best for you, so you don't feel guilty later on for lashing out in that reaction. So whatever it is, just do this a couple of times. Leave it in the comments how you're feeling. I'm going to create another video with 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes of these breathwork sessions for you. And remember that yes, your mouth is going to get dry, so you can use the saliva. And you can make sounds before and in between and take a little pause and continue. Though the consistency and momentum is important, so drink a glass of water before, drink a glass of water after this. And I recommend, if you're going to do the breath work, if you're going to do meditation, please don't drink alcohol, smoke weed, or have caffeine. Maybe black tea is okay, but at the same time, I would say reduce or remove caffeine before you do any of these practices, because this will help you build your energy and give you energy, which you necessarily don't need from caffeine, which has just become a habit. So if you want to heal that as well, you can go watch another video of mine where you don't need this, and you can actually do this through Reiki healing and reduce how much of caffeine you're drinking, or completely eliminate it where you're sticking to teas and chais and other sorts of drinks that you can have one, and it's just purely for the enjoyment and not constantly trying to get energy through it, but building energy through your own breath. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please share this with whoever needs it. I'm sure your friends and family members need this, and we'll continue creating more for you.